Good day, guys. How una dey? This is your latest ankara headwrap. Yeah, just use rubber to tie that place. You can see how I choose it before tying it here. Then you place it in your head. You see the way I do it. Now place it. Okay, let's go. So you see the way I'm doing it. Then use rubber to tie the back. Make sure you tie it very well. Yeah. Make sure you tie it very well. You can see how many times I tied the place. Then to the front, I'm just trying to adjust the front. So after twisting it, you see how I do the back after twisting the head. So make sure you do it very well. Yeah. You can see. Hope you see the back, guys. Look at the front. Now I'm just trying to make some step to the front. So make sure you arrange some steps to the front. Yeah. Okay, guys, we are done. Look at it now. See how beautiful it is. Yeah. Okay, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.